This is my workplace. 4 floors full of corridors, and the corridors full of doors behind which people create new concepts, seek patterns and prove theorems. Yes, I'm a mathematician. But lately I've been thinking, what else one could do with an academic education? I'd like to invite you to see.
I'm Saara and this is Napa-Akatemia, and that's Finnish. Akatemia, I'm sure you can guess, that's academy. And Napa is a belly button. That's this one here. My mother's been attached to it. And that's as much as you'll see of my belly button, but this is about belly dance. And it's about belly dance and math. And why is that? Well, because I used to be a mathematician. And then I decided, well, now it's enough with math, I want to dance more. And I find it interesting many times when people who know me as a mathematician and then hear that I dance or vice versa, the first questions are always like, does dancing help in math? Or do you use a lot of math in dancing? And the answer is, yes, I do. Just the other day I was thinking about turning in dancing, and I got thinking about this problem. Say that you've boiled some eggs, but you still have some raw ones left, and you somehow mix things up, and now you've got all the eggs mixed up in the fridge. You don't know which ones are the boiled ones and which ones are the raw ones. And you would like to figure out, you say you want to make a sandwich and you want to use some of the boiled eggs, and well, obviously you don't want to just try and break them, because if you happen to break one of the raw ones, well, you end up with a mess. So how do you figure out which are the boiled eggs and which are the raw ones? Well, you spin them. You see, what happens is that the boiled eggs will spin much better because they are hard and tight inside. They will spin very fast, while the raw eggs, they have the yellow part still inside, and it kind of moves around and it slows things up, so it will not spin as well as the boiled egg. And this is exactly the same as in dancing. If you want to spin very well, you kind of have to be like a very hard-boiled egg. You can't be all like soft and going all the places, because then you will lose your balance and it will slow you down. So that's the science of turning. Well, that's not really math, but it shows you that it does help to have a scientific way of thinking when you're a dancer. You don't need to have it, but as I already have it, it's a natural way for me to think about things. And we'll see how I approach things and how I see things a bit differently. And I have a slightly different view of some things in dance because of my weird background. So this is gonna be about belly dancing here in Helsinki, Finland. And if you've ever wondered how it is like here in the winter, let's have a look outside the window, because it's kind of pretty today. Here's how it is. It's really snowy. Oh, that's it. That's our backyard. You like it? It's not the place you'd expect to find a belly dancer. But when I was living in the US, I was also doing belly dance then, and my dancer friends were kind of like, huh? So you can do belly dance also in Finland? Isn't that kind of far away? And I always thought that, well, we're still closer to Egypt than you guys are. But you can do belly dance wherever you are. It's not about the place. It's about the feeling. That's about it for today. I'll see to what kind of fun things we can come up with next time, and maybe we'll have some dance clips also, and whatever we can come up with. And if you guys have suggestions, I'll be more than happy to hear what you wanna learn in the Naval Academy, in the Napa-Akatemia here.